How to clean and descale an espresso machine with cheap Vinegar. Descale your Nespresso Essenza Mini every 2-3 months or after 300 uses. Nespresso does not officially recommend Vinegar, as it can potentially damage internal parts over time. They wish to make money from you with official Nespresso descaling solution. However, many users safely use a vinegar solution occasionally for cost and convenience. What we need: white distilled vinegar, fresh water, large container or mug to collect liquid, damp clothes. Step first: empty and rinse the drip tray and used capsule container.
It's clean. After you can dry it.
Remove and rinse the water reservoir thoroughly. Mix 1 part white vinegar with 1 part of water, 2 cups each. Fill the water tank with this solution.
Smoke. We need to hot water. Water must be hot. Now it's hot and we need to push together both the button. More than 6 seconds.
Lights will start blinking to indicate descaling mode. Place a large container under the coffee spout. Press either button to begin the descaling process. The vinegar water solution will run through the systems, allow the full tank to empty. Empty again and refill the reservoir with fresh water only.
I can't. It's hot. It's okay.
Run at least 2 full tanks of clean water through the machine to flush out vinegar. Exit descaling mode for Essenza Mini. We need to hold both buttons for at least 3 seconds again.
fill it with plain water. Clean from the vinegar and fill with water. Step. 5 seconds. That's all. Coffee machine Nespresso is clean and descaled now, and we can make a new coffee. Let's make some delicious coffee.
And for best coffee, for example, it's better to use filtered water if possible to reduce scale build up. If vinegar odor remains, run one extra clean water cycle. Always allow the machine to cool before cleaning.
Lovely, like from a brand new machine.